8 options tomato salad recipe. At this video, I will show you how to make tomato salad. You can find 8 options tomato salad recipe inside this video. 1. Easy tomato salad recipe. 2. Classic tomato salad. 3. Cucumber tomato salad. 4. Balsamic tomato salad. 5. Caprese salad with cherry tomatoes. 6. Sesame tomato salad. 7. Italian tomato salad. 8. Chickpea tomato salad. 1. Easy tomato salad recipe. This tomato salad recipe is ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, mozzarella cheese, and red onions, all tossed together in a zesty garlic and herb dressing. A classic summer salad that never goes out of style. Ingredients: 5 cups tomatoes cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 cup bocconcini mozzarella balls. 1/4 cup red onion thinly sliced. 1/3 cup small basil leaves. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1½ tablespoons red wine vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon sugar. 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/4 teaspoon fresh minced garlic. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Place the tomatoes, mozzarella balls, red onion, and basil in a large bowl. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, red wine vinegar, sugar, oregano, garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. 3. Pour the dressing over the tomato mixture and gently toss to coat evenly. Serve immediately or cover and refrigerate for up to 2 hours. 2. Classic tomato salad. This classic tomato salad recipe is simple as can be, healthy, and easy to customize. It is the perfect summer salad when tomatoes are ripe and at their peak. Ingredients: 2 pounds mixed heirloom tomatoes, preferably various colors and sizes, cut into wedges or halved if small. 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar. 8 to 10 basil leaves. Fresh mozzarella balls, bocconcini, optional. Kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Instructions. A. Place the tomatoes and red onion in a large bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and red wine vinegar. Gently stir. Add the fresh mozzarella if using. Garnish with fresh basil and season with salt and black pepper. B. You can serve immediately, but if you have time, let the salad sit, tossing occasionally, until juicy and deeply flavored, at least 30 minutes and up to 1 hour. 3. Cucumber tomato salad. Cucumber tomato salad is an all-star recipe with just 3 key ingredients and a lemony dressing. This salad made of 3 main ingredients: tomatoes, cucumbers, and parsley. Ingredients: 6 Roma tomatoes, diced, about 3 cups diced tomatoes. 1 large English or hothouse cucumber, diced. 1/2 small red onion, thinly sliced, optional. 3/4 bunch parsley, leaves and tender stems chopped, about 1/2-3/4 cup chopped leaves. Kosher salt to taste. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon ground sumac. 2 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. 2 teaspoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, plus more to taste. Instructions. A. Mix. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine the tomatoes, cucumbers, and parsley. Season with kosher salt and toss. Set aside for 5 minutes or so. B. Season. Add the sumac, olive oil, and lemon juice. Give the salad a gentle toss. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Enjoy! 4. Balsamic tomato salad. A simple dressing of balsamic vinegar, garlic, and fresh herbs are all you need for a summery salad. Ingredients: 24 ounces ripe tomatoes of choice. 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 2 medium cloves garlic minced. 1 teaspoon finely chopped fresh oregano or 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, plus fresh sprigs for garnish, optional. 1 teaspoon finely chopped fresh basil or 1/2 teaspoon dried basil, plus fresh leaves for garnish, optional. Salt to taste. Freshly ground black pepper to taste. Instructions. A. Slice the tomatoes in half and, if using plum or larger tomatoes, core them to remove the seeds. Chop the tomatoes into chunks, whichever size you desire. If using grape, cherry, or another small tomato, cut in half so they will absorb the flavors of the dressing. There's no need to seed them. B. Place the chopped tomatoes in a large bowl. Add the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, garlic, and herbs. Toss well. C. Transfer to a serving dish and season with salt and pepper to taste. Or plate the salad individually for your guests and garnish with a sprig of fresh oregano or fresh basil leaves if desired. 5. Caprese salad with cherry tomatoes. The basil dressing packs a punch in this Caprese salad with cherry tomatoes. Dark balsamic vinegar is traditional, but to make the color pop, white balsamic vinegar can be used in its place. Ingredients. 1 cup packed fresh basil leaves, plus more for garnish. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper. 1 clove garlic. 3 cups cherry tomatoes, halved. 1 8-ounce container fresh mozzarella cheese pearls. Directions. A. Place basil, oil, vinegar, salt, crushed red pepper, and garlic in a mini food processor or blender. Process until combined, about 1 minute. B. Combine tomatoes and mozzarella in a large bowl. Toss with the dressing and let stand at room temperature for 10 minutes. Garnish with additional basil leaves before serving, if desired. 6. Sesame tomato salad. This simple yet stunning salad celebrates the beauty of summer tomatoes and highlights their sweetness with a rich, tangy sesame vinaigrette. A mild, buttery California-style olive oil will meld well with soy sauce and sesame oil, so avoid using a spicier olive oil that may be bitter. Ingredients. 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil. 6 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce. 2 tablespoons distilled white vinegar. 2 tablespoons toasted sesame oil. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. 1 teaspoon granulated sugar, plus more to taste. 3 pounds mixed tomatoes, large tomatoes chopped or sliced and small tomatoes halved. Kosher salt, such as diamond crystal, and black pepper. 1/4 cup chopped basil. Directions. A. In a medium bowl, combine olive oil, soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil, garlic, and sugar. Whisk to combine. B. Arrange the tomatoes on a serving platter and season with salt and pepper. Drizzle with half of the dressing and top with basil. Serve the remaining dressing on the side. 7. Italian tomato salad. This flavorful Italian tomato salad is a great side dish for any meal, or try them as a burger topper or on sandwiches. Ingredients. 3 beefsteak tomatoes, sliced 1/3 thick. 4 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar. 1/2 tablespoon lemon juice. 3 tablespoons minced red onion. For large leaves fresh basil, finely diced. 1 tablespoon diced fresh parsley. 1 clove garlic, crushed. 1/2 teaspoon fine sea salt. Fresh ground pepper. Instructions. A. Slice the tomatoes into slices about 1/3 of an inch thick and arrange on a platter with a rim in a single layer. B. Whisk together the olive oil, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, minced red onion, diced basil and parsley, crushed garlic, and sea salt to make the marinade. C. Pour the marinade evenly over the tomatoes, ensuring that they are all covered in marinade, and that the herbs and onion are spread out across the top of the tomatoes. D. Place the platter in the fridge and let sit for at least an hour so that the tomatoes can absorb the marinade. E. Garnish with fresh ground pepper when ready to serve. 8. Chickpea tomato salad. Chickpea tomato salad with a lemon herb dressing is a hit as a quick side or meal. Full of fresh ingredients and a different way to use beans, our chickpea tomato salad is healthy, filling, and super addictive. Ingredients: 28 ounces 800 g canned chickpeas, garbanzo beans, rinsed and drained, about 3 cups. 7-ounce grape tomatoes 200 g, quartered, or cherry, Roma, vine-ripened tomatoes. Half a cup roughly chopped flat-leaf parsley, fresh and crisp leaves if possible. A quarter cup red onion finely chopped. Dressing: 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 3 tablespoons lemon juice from 1 to 2 lemons. 2 cloves garlic minced. 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/8 teaspoon dried parsley. 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. 1/2 teaspoon freshly cracked black pepper. Pinch of cayenne pepper optional. Instructions: A. Grab a large salad bowl and add in chickpeas, tomatoes, parsley, and red onion. B. For the dressing, combine together olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs. Season with salt and pepper, adjust to your taste. Pour the dressing over the chickpea mixture. Toss to evenly coat. C. Serve immediately. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.